Welcome back, everybody. James Pfeiffer with ACCU, and today I've got a video for you veterans out there. Yep, that's right. It's for the veterans today. So what are we coming up on? That's right, budget season. So if you're a veteran, been doing this for a long time, I'm going to ask that you approach somebody who is newer into this as a career choice and offer them some guidance and some help. When they're asked, hey, how are you doing on budgeting? They're probably going to respond, oh, I'm great. Oh, I'm great probably translates to I'm freaking out. I don't really know what I'm doing. I am going to tell you that I'm okay to try and push this off long enough so I can figure out what it is that I'm doing in hopes that I get everything done in time for my company and for my customer. Now, that's not a great place to be because I can guarantee you they're laying in bed at night freaking out about what's about to come, right? If this is their first year especially, very overwhelming time. So I'm going to ask each of us to get together, go approach somebody who may be newer in the industry, because remember, HOA management is a team sport, right? The better we do, the better that the customers get served. We may be competitors, but this is all about the end result for the customer. And if we can do better, that's better for everybody. So offer to help them. Perhaps if there aren't enough resources within the company, offer to go with them to a meeting or two. Help them get an understanding of what's going to be expected of them in these meetings, how to answer tough questions, right? There are things like modified accrual accounting practices that happen that they're not going to know off the bat. So to hear a veteran like you say it in a meeting, they're going to pick up on that and they're going to use it the next time. So anyway, this is me just saying, let's operate as a team all together for the end client. My name is James Pfeiffer with ACCU, and until next time, I look forward to bringing you additional educational content. I'm out of here. All right, later.